Inhale. And exhale, soften, release, relax, drop everything away. Last one. And exhale, relax, relax. At the end of this exhalation, lie all the way down. Now moving through the body, feel the mind scanning through the body, being aware of each body part and gently encouraging each body part to relax. Relax the head, the face, and travel with awareness into the inner space. Moving into the inner frequency. Observe the crown of the head. Observe behind the eyebrow center, at the center of the head. Encouraging all the muscles in the face to relax. Bringing your awareness now to the throat and encouraging all the muscles in the neck and the throat to relax. Letting the mind rest at the throat center. If there are any colors or images that roll through the mind screen, let them arise. Then move your awareness through the hands, the arms, and the heart. Letting all those muscles relax. Feeling the point behind the sternum at the center of the heart. And then bringing the awareness down through the rib cage, the thoracic cavity, into the navel, the spine, and the organs of the abdomen. And then allowing all those muscles, organs, and systems to relax. Feeling the navel center for a moment, the space behind the navel. And then observing the iliac crests, the sacrum, the muscles and the organs of the lower abdomen. Observing the sacral center for a moment. And then connecting in to the root, to the space between the sitting bones. Feeling the mula center for a moment, the root center. Then allowing the mind to move down the legs and the bones of the thighs, to the knees, the lower legs, the ankles, and the feet. Until all the muscles and the joints of the legs relax, release, and soften. As all the systems of the body come into balance and harmony, where the body is in need of healing on a cellular level, let the body rebuild and renew itself. Where the mind is in need of healing, let old thoughts dissolve and new space and awareness open. Where the heart is in need of healing, let the heart receive love, forgiveness, understanding, and compassion. And let the whole body receive healing. Let the mind and the spirit and the whole being receive healing. Having touched that state of deep rest, allow yourself to slowly come back. Your hands, your feet, your arms, your legs, and little movements. Almost like you're waking up from a good night's sleep with a little stretch. Maybe even a yawn. Let's bend the knees lightly and roll over onto the side. Take a moment. And then let's come all the way back to a comfortable seated position. We'll close the eyes. Allow yourself a few moments here. Feel the goodness. Feel that state of harmony and well-being. Just for these moments now, again, return to the state deep inside where all is well. And allow that feeling of goodness, of harmony, of hope, and of love to emanate and resonate inward and outward. As we join the hands together, a long, deep breath in, resting in the feeling that all is well.